धन्यवाद महोदय। पिछले 6 वर्षों में जीएसटी ने एक नई कर व्यवस्था का निर्माण किया है। आइए देखते हैं ये लघु फिल्म बेनिफिट्स ऑफ जीएसटी।
In 2017, India witnessed a monumental transformation in its tax system with the introduction of GST. This ambitious reform aimed to streamline the taxation process, realizing the dream of one nation, one tax, and also to rationalize the impedance of tax in such a way that it complements the needs of Indian citizens and trades. GST makes the Indian market competitive by ushering in an era of higher transparency, lower compliance burden, and ease of doing business. The implementation of GST brought about a wave of transformation in the business landscape. Business owners are opened to a plethora of benefits like simplified and streamlined tax structure, reduction in cost of production, free flow of interstate input tax credit, easy and transparent online procedures, ease of compliance, as well as legal recognition to the business.
We are a 2-year-old startup and GST has been very beneficial for us. Up to 40 lakhs turnover, we need not pay GST, so it's encouraging for us to develop our company. And the whole process of single GST instead of VAT, service tax, duty, exemption from all that and bringing into a single scale has been very helpful. And the filing returns is also very easy for us.
Additionally, composition scheme, QRMP scheme, and measures such as nil filings of returns through SMS have provided substantial relief to MSMEs by considerably reducing their compliance workload. GST's simplified compliance process has been a game changer for businesses. On one hand, auto-population of returns has reduced human errors as well as reduced return filing time. On the other hand, the introduction of initiatives like e-way bill system has significantly reduced transaction cost by cutting down high logistics and warehousing costs.
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੇਪਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਹੁਣ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਟੂਲ ਟੈਕਸ ਤੇ ਬੜੀ ਤੰਗੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ। ਹੁਣ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਰਸਤਾ, ਟਾਈਮ ਔਰ ਸਾਡਾ ਪੈਸਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਬਚ ਰਿਹਾ ਔਰ ਰੋਡ ਦੀ ਬੜੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਹੂਲਤ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ।
GST was designed with the prime focus of providing tax relief to the common man by rationalization of tax rates to reduce the burden of taxation.
GST has contributed in reducing inflation by reducing the cost of production and distribution. GST has also led in rationalization of tax rates and also reducing the overall tax burden. GST has also contributed in reducing the prices of goods and services, overall benefiting us consumers.
Implementation of GST minimized the scope for tax evasion and improved tax collection efficiency, allowing the government to allocate resources towards most important sectors such as healthcare, education, and infrastructure development, and reducing the cost of living. This, in turn, benefits the general public by fostering economic growth and investment, resulting in the creation of more jobs. In a recent survey done by a leading global consulting and financial advisory firm, GST at 6 continues to spearhead the key objectives of an effective, stable, and transparent tax ecosystem, with 94% business leaders sharing affirmative sentiments towards it. 72% of respondents recognized the positive impact of GST. Overall, GST as the taxation system of New India, as expressed by Honorable Prime Minister at the time of its launch, has not only brought ease of doing business, rather it has proved to be a key economic reform, paving the way for a social reform in India by creating a corruption-free, easy and simple indirect taxation regime.
6 years of GST, simplifying taxes, driving growth.